In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount code in Setmore, providing you with an all-encompassing guide that ensures your Setmore account is set up seamlessly for offering enticing discounts to your customers. Let's begin by navigating to Setmore's website. Open your browser and head over to setmore.com. You'll need to sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. The first step is crucial, as accessing the right dashboard ensures we're starting from an accurate point in the process. Once you've accessed your account, locate the sidebar where you'll see an option labeled Payments. This section is your go-to hub for everything related to transactions within Setmore. It's an integral part of managing how you handle customer payments and, of course, setting up those exciting discount codes. Next, if you find yourself new to the payment setup aspect of Setmore, you will notice a Connect Payments option. This is where you begin the behind-the-scenes magic that allows Setmore to process payments directly through your platform. Click on Connect Payments to start integrating your preferred payment methods. For those who are starting this process for the first time, or if you haven't yet set up a payment gateway, you'll see an option to integrate PayPal. Selecting PayPal helps in setting up a trusted and widely used payment method for your customers. This step can help in reassuring your customers of a secure and hassle-free transaction experience. After clicking on PayPal, you proceed by clicking on Connect. This step will link your PayPal account to your Setmore platform, allowing for seamless transactions and providing a foundation for offering discounts later on. If you don't already have a PayPal account, you'll need to set one up before this step to ensure smooth integration. Once PayPal is successfully connected, you'll see an option to enable Accept Booking Page Payments. Clicking on this feature is vital, as it activates the capability for your customers to complete their bookings and transactions directly through your booking page. This ease of access can improve your customer experience, making it as straightforward as possible for them to take advantage of the discounts you offer. These steps outline how to prepare your Setmore for integrating discount codes effectively by ensuring your payment methods are correctly set up. Remember, a well-rounded payment setup lays the groundwork for a reliable discount feature, enhancing the overall customer satisfaction and potentially boosting your business sales. Keep in mind that following these steps accurately will help you avoid roadblocks in future transactions. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll delve deeper into creating and managing those discount codes, allowing you to customize your offerings in a way that suits your business needs best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.